Ethereum ETF surge past $5.5 billion in record inflows. Can ETH break $4,000 next? Ethereum. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 17, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Ethereum exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have crossed the $5.5 billion threshold in inflows since their debut, with more than $3.3 billion flowing into these Ether investment vehicles since mid-April alone. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert disclosed in a July 17 X post that these substantial inflows stem primarily from the basis yield on Ethereum, which has climbed back into double-digit territory for the first time since December 2024, alongside increased open interest in CME Ethereum futures contracts. Ethereum's valuation has responded favorably to this institutional purchasing pressure, reaching a 6-month high of $3,481.58 before stabilizing at around $3,427 at the time of publication. BlackRock's ETH dominates Ethereum ETFs' record inflows with $489 million single-day buy. According to Soso Value data, BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust, ETH, emerged as the primary catalyst, achieving its strongest performance ever with $489 million in inflows on July 17. Throughout the previous 5 trading sessions, ETH alone captured $1.25 billion, accounting for nearly 20% of its total accumulation since its launch. BlackRock's current Ethereum holdings now total $6.94 billion. The momentum extended beyond BlackRock's offering. Collectively, all U.S. Ethereum ETFs registered record daily inflows of $726.74 million. Surpassing the previous benchmark of $430 million. Fidelity's FETH contributed $113.31 million, while Grayscale's Mini Trust added $54.18 million, both achieving their strongest performance in months. Supply-demand dynamics. ETFs control 4.02% of total Ethereum market cap. With ETFs currently managing 5 million ETH, representing 4.02% of Ethereum's $413 billion market capitalization, demand strongly exceeds available supply. Ethereum-focused treasuries hold $5.3 billion worth of ETH and are acquiring tokens at a rate 36 times the daily ETH production rate. Additionally, ETH investment funds have maintained 12 consecutive weeks of positive inflows, including $996 million in the most recent week alone. SharpLink Gaming, currently the largest corporate Ethereum holder, recently purchased an additional $68.4 million of Ethereum, elevating its total holdings to $1.10 billion worth of ETH. Meanwhile, Bit Digital liquidated its entire Bitcoin position, redirecting those funds into an Ether allocation. President Trump-affiliated World Liberty Financial, WLFI, has also recently acquired $4.99 million worth of ETH. While Ethereum lacks Bitcoin's scarcity characteristics, potentially diminishing its store value proposition, its staking reward capability makes institutional adoption particularly appealing to certain firms. With the SEC apparently relaxing its stance on staking-as-a-service enforcement, companies are increasingly comfortable incorporating ETH staking into their treasury strategies without regulatory concerns. Analysts signal $4,000 price target. Crypto investor and OKX exchange partner Ted Pillows notes that ETH is following a similar trajectory to the 2016-17 market cycle. Following the recent $3,200 breakout, he anticipates a $4,000 price recovery in the near term, followed by a more substantial rally thereafter. Prominent market maker Wintermute has also indicated that minimal ETH remains available through OTC desks, suggesting demand is overwhelming supply. When such conditions emerge, price movements typically accelerate rapidly, which many view as another catalyst supporting the $4,000 target. Technical analysis. Rising channel confirms bullish structure. The ETH/USD chart displays upward momentum supported by an ascending channel formation. Following a decisive breakout within the channel, Ethereum is currently experiencing minor consolidation below the $3,519 resistance level. Price action maintains position above the Ichimoku cloud, indicating bullish momentum and underlying support, with the cloud providing a foundation around $3,200. Technical analysis suggests two potential scenarios: a brief retracement toward the previous breakout zone, approximately $3,400, followed by a recovery, or a direct continuation to challenge the $3,519 to $3,664 resistance range. Provided the price remains above the cloud and the ascending channel structure holds, the bullish perspective remains valid, with probable targets around $3,650 to $3,664 in the short term. A sustained breach below $3,300 would threaten the bullish configuration and potentially reactivate the $3,100 support zone. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. NYSE approves first 2x XRP ETF. Is $1,000 XRP now in play? XRP price prediction. Institutional inflows hit $3.7 billion. Could XRP hit $100 in 2025? ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Picoin, and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Cardano by the end of 2025. 3 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. 2 days ago, by Tim Hackey. Price analysis. XRP price prediction July 18, 2025. As XRP open interest hits $10 billion, is Ripple going to $4 today? 17 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 18, 2025. 18 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 14 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.